Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beach chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tommy Bahama backpack chair. Become more comfortable and relaxed with this green, blue striped chair by Tommy Bahama. Made from high-quality and sturdy 600D polyester and aluminum frame, it will comfortably and safely support up to 300 pounds. The 7-pound chair measures 23 by 3 by 27 inches and comes with a storage pouch, cooler and folding towel bar. The super light accessory can be adjusted in 5 different positions and also includes a built-in pillow for maximum comfort. It features several pockets, 2 large compartments and is easy to carry thanks to the ergonomic rubber handle. While consumers love its high quality, comfort, and good size, some claim that the front seat tube frame is a bit uncomfortable. Moving on at number 4, we have the KingCamp Low Sling chair. This KingCamp chair is perfect for the beach, camp, hiking, picnic, and tailgating among other uses. It's available in cyan color, measures 26 by 23 by 22 inches, and weighs around 3 kilograms. Its sturdy steel frame and fabric can support users weighing up to 136 kilograms 300 pounds and closes or opens within seconds. For improved comfort, the armrests are wrapped in a soft and smooth foam while the reinforced back is made from breathable mesh. The included compact straps and carry bag make carrying easy and convenient. Although it's very comfortable, sturdy, and well-built, some consumers say it's low on the ground. At number 3, we have the Coleman Oversized quad chair with cooler. If you fancy having a cold drink while relaxing at the beach, park, picnic site, camping, or any other suiting, this gray, black quad chair should be okay. It is made of strong steel frame and heavy-duty polyester that can accommodate users weighing up to 325 pounds 147 kilogram. It features a cooler in the armrest that hold up to 4 cans, adjustable armrest height, and side pockets for storing snacks, books, magazines and other items. The light chair weighs 3 pounds, is comfortable, well-designed but is a bit bulky. At number 2, we have the Kelty Low Loveseat chair. Just as the name implies, you will fall in love with the Loveseat by Kelty. It comes in a colorful and vibrant tundra, chili pepper color and is perfect for the beach, picnic, park, campsite and other settings. It's constructed from a heavy-duty steel frame, which together with the quilted 600D polyester can support up to 400 pounds. It measures 23 by 45 by 12 inches and weighs about 8 pounds. For improved comfort and convenience, it can recline in different positions, comes with an adjustable armrest and an insulated beverage holder. The Kelty Low Love chair is chosen because it's super comfy, easy to pack, well-built and elegant. However, some people say it's a bit low to the ground. And finally at number 1, we have the Copa backpack folding steel chair. If you love heading to the beach, backpacking, tailgating, or camping, this light blue chair should be perfect. The folding chair is made from light but strong steel and comes with a 10-inch height. Not only is it strong to support users as heavy as 225 pounds but also folds into a small pack for better carrying and storage. The 5-pound chair features molded plastic arms for better support and adjustable backpack straps for improved portability. While people love its comfort, sturdiness, and easy folding, some complain of its non-reclining nature and its small size. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.